Hey guys, finally, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra real-life hands-on images are leaked. All the image post and leak in Twitter. The Galaxy S24 series launch rumored to take a place on January 17. So we are just week away from the launch of the next generation Samsung flagship. So as you can see that the S24 Ultra design is too much similar to its predecessor. And rumor also say that Galaxy S24 Ultra come with titanium frame. Maybe this is titanium silver or golden color. But the Galaxy S24 Ultra come with flat skin and a back. The device not come with completely flat, is have a still curved edges. The Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 6.8-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate with a 1440p resolution display. And the phone also come with 2500 nits peak brightness. And of course the phone powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC up to 16 GB of RAM, and phone also come with Android 14 with One UI 6.0. In the camera department, the phone come with quad camera setup in the back. The phone come with improving new 200 megapixel camera sensor and brand new 50 megapixel 5x telephoto lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide and also 10 megapixel 10x periscope zoom lens. And the phone is also come with 10 megapixel selfie camera. Phone powered by 5000 mAh battery and is support 45 watt fast charging. So that is all about Galaxy S24 Ultra, all details and rumor. So if you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.